Dodo. No, I don't think it's the fire burning me. Hello, you. Oh no, I died. Bird. I can't smack him with anything. I can't even pick him up. No, no. Ah! Ah! Don't attack me just because I hit your brother, stupid bird. Ah! Are these all gonna fight me now? They're after me! Ah, run, run, run! No, don't look at me like that. They all hate me, you guys. I didn't do anything. I just smacked their brother. It wasn't a big deal. Oh, here's the house. They're still after me! Oh my god, you guys are getting bonked so hard. I missed it. No! Leave me alone! Teach you to mess with me, little dummies. Get bonked. Ow! 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 The birds hate me now because I did things, okay? I did things. But I don't have the chickens. They were, look, I only did it because I had to. They were after me because I did them some bad stuff. I did bad things to them. Should I kill that bird? Or you there, birdie boy? This is your last chance. You're gonna get bonked so hard. Wait, should I kill it? Bonk bird? Okay. Hey, you and your little friends are trying to attack me? Now who's got friends, huh? Now who's got friends, you stinky bird? Yeah, you better get bonked. Yeah, that's what I thought, stinky bird. What is this? Feathers? I'm looking around to see if there's any birds nearby. I can't open this? Oh, I can. What is that? Hello? Oh my god, it's so cute! What the heck? It's alive! Oh my god! What the heck? Look at it! I almost ate it on accident. It's so cute! Oh my god. I'm sorry, little guy.